Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and configure Windows updates. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Head over to search and type in services. Click on it, and once it opens, click on any service one time, then press W on your keyboard. Now scroll down until you find Windows Update. Double click on it and ensure the startup type is set to automatic. Then click on Start to make the service status running and click OK. Next, right-click on Windows Update and select Restart. Now go to search again, type check for updates and click on it. Your updates should now be working correctly. This was for today's tutorial. If this video was helpful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.